प्रिंसिपल आई, सबको लाइन में खड़ा करी और बोली कि शर्ट उतारो सबकी सब, और सबको फोर्सफुली शर्ट उतरवाया गया। ये लोग प्रोटेस्ट भी कि हम लोग नहीं खोलेंगे, लेकिन फिर भी वो लोग बोली कि खोलना ही पड़ेगा।
Now imagine celebrating your final days before exams with your friends, full of excitement and writing messages on each other's shirts before school ends. Sounds like a perfect farewell, right? But on January 10th at Carmel School in Dhanbad, Jharkhand, 80 female students of class 10 were about to experience something completely unexpected. Now, these girls were celebrating Pen Day, writing messages to each other on their shirts. However, the principal objected, and in a shocking move, she ordered them to remove their shirts with no warning and no explanation. They were simply told to strip off their shirts, despite apologizing for what was seen as a harmless celebration. The principal allegedly claimed that such behavior would harm the school's reputation. Now, these girls were sent home without shirts under their blazers, humiliated and forced to walk out of school in public shame. A moment that should have been about memories and friendship became an act of degradation and distress. Now, can you imagine the kind of emotional toll this must have taken on them? The parents of the students are furious, and rightfully so. They have filed complaints with Dhanbad's Deputy Commissioner Madhvi Mishra, urging a full investigation. Let's listen in to what one of the parents have to say.
प्रिंसिपल आई, सबको लाइन में खड़ा करी और बोली कि शर्ट उतारो सबकी सब, और सबको फोर्सफुली शर्ट उतरवाया गया। ये लोग प्रोटेस्ट भी कि हम लोग नहीं खोलेंगे, लेकिन फिर भी वो लोग बोली कि खोलना ही पड़ेगा। और ये लोग घबरा गए कि 10 का बोर्ड से आगे ये लोग कुछ भी कर सकती है। ये लोग ट्रॉमेटाइज हो गई और ये लोग को शर्ट खोलना पड़ा, और सबके सामने 11 की लड़की लोग को बोला गया ये लोग को खुलवाने के लिए कि खुलवाओ ये लोग का शर्ट, और ये लोग को खुलाया गया। टच कर करके चेक किया गया कि कुछ है तो नहीं अंदर और कुछ कैरी तो नहीं करिए। कुछ लड़कियां फोन लेके गई थी, फोन अलाउड नहीं है स्कूल में, फोन भी सीज कर लिया था पहले ही।
Now, here's the real question. Can a simple investigation undo the harm that was done? How do you fix the emotional trauma that these girls will carry with them long after the investigation is over? These girls just didn't lose their shirts that day. They lost their sense of safety and their trust in the institution meant to protect them. It's more than just breaking a rule. It's about how deeply their sense of self-worth was crushed. What do you think about this horrific incident? Drop your thoughts in the comments and follow Mojo Story for more updates.